The Golden Hen and Greed. Once upon a time, in a small village, lived a poor farmer named Jack. Jack and his wife, Sophia, lived in a small cottage amidst a modest farm. Despite their poverty, Jack and Sophia lived a happy life, working hard on their farm. One day, something extraordinary happened that completely changed their lives. Jack discovered that he had a unique hen. This hen had shiny golden feathers and laid a pure gold egg every morning. Jack and Sophia were amazed and overjoyed, as they now had an inexhaustible source of wealth. As days passed, Jack began to accumulate a lot of gold. He bought the finest clothes, the most delicious food, and built a luxurious house. But with each new piece of gold, Jack's greed grew. He began to think about how to get more gold in less time. One day, Jack said to Sophia, "My wife, why do we wait every day to collect one egg? Why don't we slaughter the hen and take all the golden eggs at once?" Sophia looked at her husband sadly and said, "Jack, don't do that. The hen is our source of livelihood, and if we slaughter it, we will lose everything. Greed only brings evil." But Jack didn't listen to his wife's advice. He was overcome by greed and avarice. The next day, he took a sharp knife and went to the hen. He looked at her for a moment, then closed his eyes and slaughtered her. When he opened the hen's belly, he found nothing but her entrails and blood. There were no golden eggs. Jack felt regret and sorrow, but it was too late. He had lost the most precious thing he owned because of his greed. The lesson learned: greed only brings loss and destruction. We should be grateful for what we have and be content with what God has given us. In addition to the primary lesson about greed, the story of the Golden Hen and Greed offers many other valuable lessons, which can be summarized as follows. The value of patience and contentment. Jack's story clearly shows us that the desire for quick wealth and greed for more can destroy everything we have. Patience and contentment with what we have are the keys to true happiness. The importance of advice. We often find ourselves ignoring the advice of others when we are under the influence of our strong desires. Jack's story reminds us of the importance of listening to those who love us and give us wise advice. The severe consequences of greed. Jack's fate clearly shows that greed leads to completely opposite results. Instead of achieving the wealth he dreamed of, he lost everything he had. The value of relationships. The story highlights the importance of the relationship between Jack and Sophia. Sophia tried to warn him of the consequences of his actions, but he ignored her. This shows us the importance of building strong relationships based on trust and mutual respect. The difference between wealth and happiness. Many people believe that wealth is the key to happiness, but Jack's story proves that this belief is false. Even after becoming rich, Jack did not feel true happiness.
The end. Hope you have enjoyed the reading. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And find more fascinating and exciting stories from the description below the video.